Jamaicans will soon have another route to report child abuse. The Ministry of Education will be launching a helpline. Minister of Education, Youth and Information Fayval Williams made the announcement in Parliament this week. Simone Absalom Gayle gives us the details.
The National Children's Registry (NCR) says since January 2021, each month they have recorded between 800 to 900 reports of child abuse or children at risk of being abused. The Youth and Information Minister Fayval Williams says the 211 helpline will be launched in September.
This helpline will be manned 24 hours by child care professionals and will be a significant addition to the child protection ecosystem. We will be running a national campaign to inform Jamaicans of this new helpline, as we will transition it to be the main helpline for reporting child abuse in Jamaica. And because it will be easy to remember, we know that it will be used in those times.
She says the Education Ministry, through the Child Protection and Family Services Agency, will be embarking on a positive or good parenting campaign.
The ministry, through the CPFSA, will be embarking on a positive or good parenting campaign in an effort to empower Jamaican parents to raise happy, healthy, and smart children. The ministry will also be embarking on a corporal punishment campaign where parents will be encouraged to try positive discipline strategies.
Minister Williams also gave an update on the Street and Working Children Framework of Action.
An analysis of the root causes underpinning children living and working on the street indicate that consumption poverty is the most obvious push factor for child labor on the streets, and the potential for quick monetary gains is the most significant pull factor. Cabinet's approval was secured for the circulation of the final document, as well as for the establishment of a multi-sectoral body to review and finalize a street and working children framework of action and oversee the implementation of said framework of action. The CPFSA is currently in the process of establishing the task force.
For the news on PBCJ, I'm Simone Absalom Gayle.